Hello friends, myself Vineet Jain, married to an awesome woman, father of two beautiful daughters, conventional businessman, book lover, and now doing affiliate marketing on a mission to help people earn money online. So friends, today's topic is a signing object syndrome and how it affects the growth of entrepreneurs. See friends, entrepreneurs are highly enthusiastic, highly motivated. So what happens whenever there is a new project or a new idea or a new platform, they immediately tend to jump to it or start it. So they try for some time and they aren't able to get the benefits of the same. Then they try for any other platform. So by changing from one platform to another platform, they do not concentrate in a particular platform. So that is why it's difficult to get success. So if you are having this kind of syndrome, it is a disease of distraction. We should understand what is signing object syndrome. It's a disease of distraction. We get distracted when we come across any particular object online. In online, you can expect everything feels exciting until and unless you have participated in it. This is why your success largely depends on your activities, what you do. If you shift from one activity to another activity, you cannot concentrate on a particular type of platform. Say for example, some of people are using Snapchat and you find it very exciting and you immediately start your promotion on Snapchat. When your targeted audience do not use Snapchat, but you still do it and you think and you're waiting that type of customers or audience will get attracted or will have a Snapchat account. There what happens? You get traction and you don't get the desired results. So that is the main problem. When we find something new, we get excited and we feel attracted and we jump from one platform to another platform. Same thing happened with me also. Once I joined a particular affiliate program and then I tried it for some time, it didn't work. Then I jumped to another affiliate program. Then from there to a second or third one. So lot of courses we have purchased, we have spent money on it, but we cannot concentrate particular product or a particular platform. So that's the difficulty. And when we don't concentrate on a particular platform, we don't get desired results. We have to build our audience, we have to work for it on a regular basis with consistency and be focused towards our goals also. So friends, this is the idea of shining object syndrome. We get excited by the payouts the person is using on his platform, but we fail to understand the struggle he has gone through it. So we should avoid such type of shiny objects. We should stick to a particular thing, particular platform, learn from it and implement it and earn from it. Then we can think of upgradation, because nowadays what happens, technology is upgrading every day. Every day technology is upgrading, every day something new is happening. So if we start jumping from old to new without concentrating on a particular product or a particular platform, we find it difficult to concentrate on that. We get defocused. That is the main whole problem, and we should avoid such shiny objects at our end also. Thank you friends. Goodbye.